Okay, welcome students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is again our English class online. I am your teacher, Teacher Glean. Last week, we learned about how to answer the question, what fruit do you like? Let's review a little bit. What fruit do you like? Do you still remember? What fruit do you like? I like banana. That's great. Number two, what fruit do you like? Okay, I like coconut. Number three, what fruit do you like? Great. I like mango. What fruit do you like? I like orange. That's great. Okay. Now today we will learn how to answer this question. Do you like apple? How to answer that question? Listen carefully as I teach you. This question is answerable by yes or no. I will give you an example on this question. Do you like apple? If you like the apple, then you can say, yes, I do. So that's how you answer the question. Yes, I do. How about if you don't like? If you don't like, then you say, no, I don't. Okay? Did you get it? Okay, let's start. Do you like banana? Okay, you can answer yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay? Do you like coconut? Okay, yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you like mango? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay, for the next round, you will be answering, okay? I will ask the question and you answer. Do you like banana? Great. Do you like coconut? Very good. Do you like mango? Excellent. Okay. Now, let's have more questions. Do you like orange? Great. Do you like papaya? Amazing. Do you like strawberry? Okay, very good. Let's repeat. Do you like orange? Do you like papaya? Do you like strawberry? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye.